15 Days Success Transformation Plan. Jim Rohn inspired. Intro. My friend, success is not something you pursue. Success is something you attract by the person you become. Over the next 15 days, I want you to discipline your mind, your habits, and your daily actions. Because in just 15 days, you can create the foundation for a lifetime of change. Day 1. Decide to change. Everything starts with a decision. Decide today that you will no longer live by chance, but by choice. Write down your goals. Remember, for things to change, you must change. Day 2. Morning and evening rituals. Start your day with gratitude and learning. End your day with reflection. The bookends of your day will determine the quality of your life. Day 3. Read for growth. Success leaves clues. Read at least 20 minutes of a good book today. Don't just get through the book, get from it. Day 4. Choose your friends wisely. You are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. Surround yourself with winners, and you'll start winning too. Day 5. Work philosophy. Don't just work hard, work on yourself harder than you do on your job. That's how you increase your value in the marketplace. Day 6. Learn a new skill. Skills make you valuable. Spend an hour today learning something that can pay you for the rest of your life. Day 7. Health reset. Your body is the only place you have to live. Exercise, eat clean, and protect your energy. Day 8. Financial discipline. Don't spend more than you earn. Practice the 70-10-10-10 rule. Discipline with money today creates freedom tomorrow. Day 9. Power of communication. Learn to say what you mean, clearly and with confidence. Communication builds influence, and influence builds wealth. Day 10. Daily discipline. Small disciplines repeated every day lead to big achievements. Pick one habit and master it. Day 11. Contribution. The secret to living is giving. Add value to others, and you'll never lack opportunities. Day 12. Reflection. Don't just go through the day. Get from the day. Review, adjust, and improve. Day 13. Expand your vision. Dream bigger. See yourself 5 years from now, living your best life. Hold that picture in your mind every day. Day 14. Mentorship. Find someone wiser and learn from them. Success is too important to figure out alone. Day 15. Celebration and next step. Celebrate your progress. Success is a journey, not a destination. Use these 15 days as a foundation to design the next 30, 60, and 90 days of your future. Closing. Discipline is the bridge between goals and accomplishment. Build that bridge every day, and you'll live a life of purpose, wealth, and freedom.